In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Tradelink on Steam. A Tradelink is a special URL you can share, so other users or trusted services can send you trade offers without adding you as a friend. It's handy for trading game items, but remember, only share it with people or platforms you trust, and never share your account credentials with anyone. To begin, make sure you're using the Steam desktop app or a web browser where you're already signed in. Look toward the top right corner of Steam and move your mouse over your profile name. When you hover there, a small menu drops down. This is where many account shortcuts live, and it's the quickest way to reach your items. From that menu, click Inventory. Your inventory is the hub for all your in-game items across titles like Counter-Strike 2, Dota 2, and more. Once you're on the inventory page, you'll see a few options related to trading and item management. Next, find and click Trade Offers. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a button or a link near the top or right side of the page. Clicking it takes you to the dedicated trade offers area where you can view incoming and outgoing offers and adjust some trading related settings. Inside the trade offers page, look for the option that says, "Who can send me trade offers?" Click that. This opens a settings screen that controls who can reach you with trades. It also includes the section you're looking for. Here, you'll see a heading that mentions third-party sites. Directly under it, Steam displays your trade URL. You can copy it with the copy button so it's ready to paste wherever you need. If you ever think your link has been shared too widely or you want to reset access, use the option to create a new URL. That instantly invalidates the old one and generates a replacement. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If the menu doesn't appear when you hover, give it a second or click your profile name to open the same options. If others need to preview your items before sending offers, ensure your inventory privacy in Steam settings allows them to view the relevant game items. And whenever you paste your trade link, double check that you're sharing it in the right place, since anyone with the link can propose a trade. That's it. You hovered over your profile name, went to inventory, opened trade offers, selected who can send me trade offers, and there's your trade URL ready to copy. Thanks for watching and happy trading.